Hey, it's Linda, and today we're going to be checking out the HP Envy X360 2-in-1 laptop. It gives you the ability to create freely, the full HD display shows everything perfectly, and it has a 5-megapixel camera built in. I'm going to head over to the lab now to show you what it has to offer. This was designed inside and out to give you the ability to create freely. It might just look like a normal laptop, but it's a lot more flexible. Its 360 hinge gives you options with regards to how you use it. So you might want to use it in hand, tablet mode, which is the best of both worlds, or you might want to pop it up into temp mode and get a bit more creative. It also comes with this magnetic stylus, which is really good for writing, sketching, even editing, especially with the Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, because everything feels really smooth and seamless. When you want to kick back, put your feet up and watch something, or you want to put your creator hat on and make something cool, it's got you covered as well. Everything looks good in full HD on its edge-to-edge IPS touchscreen. It is flicker-free and color calibrated, so you're getting accurate color in stunning definition. Whether you're in a work meeting or catching up with friends and family, you'll be able to look your best with its built-in 5-megapixel camera right here. You will appear clear and sharp on their end, and they'll be able to hear you well as their AI noise reduction puts your voice front and center. To find out more about this HP Envy X360 2-in-1 laptop, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.